how to change default install location on EA application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change the installation location in the EA app. So let's get started. First of all, open the EA application on your laptop or your PC. Once you're inside the homepage after logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile picture. From the expanded menu, select Settings. From the top of the screen, select the Download option, and under Download, you will see Install Location option. Click on Edit right next to it and select your installation location from the menu. Choose the folder where you want the game to be saved from EA Games and click on OK. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your install location. Now all the future games will install in that new location. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.